Ground was broken on the Wellsville Tabernacle, April 3rd, 1903. The building was occupied as a religious structure until 1979, when it was sold to Wellsville City to be used as offices. Throughout the mid-90s, the Wellsville City became tired of upkeeping the building, and a project was created to decide what to do with the building. In 1994, the Wellsville Foundation was formed in order to preserve and protect our beautiful piece of history that we have here. Our mission includes creating a space for arts, creating a space for the public to gather, and overall preserving the beauty and heritage of our community. From 1994 onward, after some initial renovations, the building has serviced as a community center hosting private events, art shows, and much, much more. In the mid-2000s, a project was started to install a forced air heating and cooling system, and it was discovered that there were structural abnormalities in the attic space. Since then, the building had to be closed in the early 2010s, and funds have been raised. $150,000 was raised to secure the attic structure. That work was done in the year 2020 and has now been completed, and the Wellsville Tabernacle is structurally sound once again. Moving forward, we have to work on getting heating and cooling back in the building, a new geothermal source system, and then additionally new plumbing and cosmetic updates. So we are looking to have heating in the downstairs of the building by winter this year, fingers crossed. And then from there, we'll be renovating up into the auditorium, hoping to have people in the building come spring of 2023. People will be able to rent out the building for private events. We will also be hosting art shows and plays. We are looking to rekindle the creative arts center that we had going during the mid-2000s. People often wonder, when I donate to the Wellsville Tabernacle, where's my money going? What's it doing? Is it really helping? And I want to let you know that every single dollar helps. Every single dollar is doing something. We are purchasing paint. We are purchasing tubing. We are hiring contractors. We are having heat load calculations done. So every single dollar that you have contributed up until this point has been used to protect the building and will continue to be used to preserve it for generations to come. While the building is closed, the Wellsville Foundation will continue to sponsor outdoor events. We hope to see you. Our events are for everyone, people from Wellsville, people from Cache Valley, people from all across the state, all across the country. Once the building has been reopened, we look forward to having you in the building. And just remember, this is a place for you. This is a place for everyone.